one of the things that I heard is that the Jesus ossuary doesn't say Jesus, that it says Hanun. Well, nobody says that anymore. If that's what you've heard, you're out of step with the times, because the guy who said that is Dr. Stephen Fahn, who's an expert on the Dead Sea Scrolls. He's not an epigrapher. And suddenly he said that, I have him on camera saying it says Jesus, son of Joseph. But then he changed his mind and he said it says Hanun. Then he realized he's taking on Frank Moore Cross from Harvard, but he was okay with it. Then the three top epigraphers in Israel weighed in and said, it says Jesus, son of Joseph. So then he backed off. So nobody says that anymore, not even Steve Fahn, the originator of the Hanun theory, is no longer behind that theory. What he says today is that it does say Jesus, son of Joseph, but before it said Jesus, under the Jesus, you can see traces of another name, Honi. And Jesus was written over Honi. Now, I don't know what he thinks he's proving by that. If it said Honi, son of Joseph, and somebody else found another, because if you bury two people in the same ossuary, because the bones decompose, you don't put one name over the other, right? You put them under each other. So why would somebody scratch out Honi and put in Jesus, and they're both sons of Joseph? I don't know. It makes no sense to me. Nobody stands behind that theory. Nobody. Steve Fahn, from Holy Land University, which is, I mean, he runs it out of his house. It's not Harvard. He has this Honi theory. I mean, listen, if he persuades all the epigraphers in the world that that's what it says, Honi under Jesus, son of Joseph, then, hey, I'm just a filmmaker. I'll follow the giants in the field. But so far, nobody says that.